I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin sideways still. Bitcoin's broke out above this rising channel. This is very bullish. Now it's holding that breakout and it's consolidating, building for a potential move to the upside. However, 28,800 is a very strong resistance level where there's a bunch of sellers stacked for Bitcoin. We go to the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Again, you can see Bitcoin's forming this bull flag, right? You get a break to the upside. You're talking $31,000, $33,000 Bitcoin. Huge move coming for Bitcoin. Breakout and flip on the 4-hour, breakout and flip this overhead resistance. And then you open your trades based on that bullish retest, right? That's the safest trade. If this thing dumps, you're going to see a bunch of buyers jump in and try to buy it up. A lot of times you don't get the pullbacks you want when Bitcoin's very bullish. If this is the bull market rally, this is a super guppy indicator. When the price action breaks above this indicator, typically you see very solid bullish price action happen here. Solid bullish price action happen here. Solid bullish price action. All of the entire bull run here above the guppy. Here we are, just flipped it. So will we see a run to $40,000 Bitcoin? We have in the past based on that indicator. On the daily chart, Bitcoin, again, as long as it holds this upper trend line, this solid yellow trend line, looking for higher prices out of Bitcoin, right? On dips, people are buying. Buyers are going to jump in. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person was in the group previously, was able to buy himself one of his dream cars, and he put a down payment on his house. Now he joined the group. I've got so many people joining the group back because the market's about to take off. All coins are about to explode. He's already up another 8,000 pounds. This person hit $50,000 portfolio, 8 months in the group, only 21 years old. This is not hard. You just have to learn the rules of this game. You cannot win if you don't know the rules. If you're in crypto and you're here to make money and you're not in the group, what are you doing? You're guessing, gambling, taking other people's advice. Let me show you the best coins to be in, where the money flow is at, and constantly update you throughout the day. And that's what we do in the group. This person entered the group about 2 months ago, $100. Now up to 2,000. So again, that's 20x in 2 months. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We nail all the bangers. We got the strongest team answering questions around the clock, all hours of the night and day, all time zones, banging. I want to talk to you about a coin right now that just started breaking out. We saw a volume spike happen right down here called PRQ. Okay, so this coin, PRQ, has some solid fundamental news. So they just released their roadmap, right? They've got loaded roadmap. Q2, they've got a strategic client being onboarded, AVAX Summit, new pricing model. They've got DeFi data lake, a ton of news just stacked the rest of the year. Okay, so that's good for Parsec. Now, PRQ, when I posted it on Twitter, make sure follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. When I posted it, 10% pump out of PRQ. Now, this was before the price action exploded, before I posted the chart, posted it in group, and then immediately posted on Twitter shortly after. Remember, PRQ has new tokenomics. So PRQ staking mandatory for running your data lake on Parsec. Revenue share for public data lakes in PRQ with a burn mechanism, which is huge. Burn mechanisms reduce the coin supply. PRQ burned based on the usage of third-party deployed data lakes. similar to gas on Ethereum. So very solid Web3 project. PRQ right now, just broken out. You've seen some volume coming in. This is a coin to watch. We talk about these falling wedges that break out and have a lot of upside. And here we are, PRQ on KuCoin is the coin to watch. Just in, the United States government to sell 41,000 Bitcoin connected to the Silk Road. They already sold a fifth of it. They already sold almost 10,000 Bitcoin about 2 weeks ago. And look at Bitcoin's price action. It went up, I think, 15% since they sold the 10,000 Bitcoin. Not much of an effect on the price. So don't be scared of the news. Spoiler alert. You're going to have a ton of fake news coming. All the news outlets are going to give you a bunch of fake news. You're going to see these stories are crazy and they're off the wall and you can't believe them because it's April 1st coming overnight. In Asia already, April 1st. It's almost here. The crazy stories, these news outlets, you're going to see stuff and you're just going to be like, what? And April 1st, here we are. Spoiler alert. All in good fun, but hey, you know what? Don't play with my money, period. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is at this trendline resistance. It's essentially just consolidating. If you get a breakout of this trendline resistance, you're looking for a pump out of Bitcoin. Bitcoin pumps is going to drag the Bitcoin dominance higher, and it's still Bitcoin season. Bitcoin outperforms the altcoins, and there we go. Breakdown and altcoins take off. Ethereum starts to move finally. Even though it's not mega altcoin season, we're on KuCoin killing it with double-digit gainers every single day. Look, there's a page, 2 pages, 3 pages of double-digit gainers on KuCoin. All you do, if you have a small bag, just make sure you're on KuCoin, you run the right coins, and you just keep rolling it over. The small cap season continues. ES1. The stock market is on fire. This is the S&P E-mini futures. This thing broke out, this shoulder, head, shoulder, break out of the falling wedge. This thing is pumping hard. Definitely doesn't hurt crypto, but clearly Bitcoin not moving as well as the ES1. Ethereum is one to watch. So one thing important about Ethereum is if Bitcoin continues to outperform Ethereum, Ethereum is lagging. So if Ethereum doesn't break out soon and take off, Bitcoin season continues. And it's just that simple. If this thing doesn't break out and put in higher prices and Bitcoin continues to outperform Ethereum, it's Bitcoin season and Bitcoin's still the focus in the market. Okay. And then we're trading small caps and we're happy because we're making a ton of money. That's fine. But when these larger caps take off, it sure is fun because there's a ton of money to be made and we're just trying to time that move. And so I've been covering it consistently over time and I'll continue to do so. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.